how to contact the Amazon customer service. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So all you basically want to do is simply search for Amazon customer service. And over here, you can see the Amazon customer service, help and contact us. So here you have the actual service, as you can see, where you can have like, where there's a bunch of different topics, which you can select if you have a problem with that type of topic. But when I go back, you can also see a phone number right there, which you can actually call if you want to. It's a bit weird that when I actually click on the site, it is gone. But yeah, so you can also call them if you want to. And here you can, for example, go to something else. And you do have to log in, though, in order to actually ask any questions. Oh, for this one, you actually don't, because you can log in when you have a problem with the login, of course. But yeah, so here you have also where's my stuff, so track your package. And then here you have a couple of different steps as well. So yeah, that's pretty easy. So yeah, you used to be able to actually like contact them with the Amazon Assistant, although in about 4 days they will cancel this, which is quite annoying because this was actually way easier to actually contact them instead of having to search through all of this yourself. But yeah, this is how it works. You can still call them if you would like to. Yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.